everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Brand Source Mastercard account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.brandsource.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page, mouse over to the credit cards tab at the top and click on access account. Enter your user ID and your password in the text boxes to get access to your Mastercard account. Start off by typing in your valid user ID and then your password on the next field. If you'd like this system to remember your user ID on this device, check this little box where it says remember my user ID. But if you're using a public or a shared device, leave this box unchecked for your security. After you are done typing in your correct credentials, you can click the sign on button, but if you've forgotten it during logging in, you can click on the retrieve user ID or the reset password link in order to look for your credentials. Finally, click on the sign on button and you should be able to log in and access your Brand Source Mastercard account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.